With OnePageCRM, you can build smart web forms. These are web forms that don't just simply collect and store information, they make it actionable. Using a simple drag and drop interface, you can choose many different field types depending on your needs and choose color schemes to match your brand. It all takes just a few clicks. You can then automatically add next actions to new submissions. This can be either a task or a reminder, and it ensures that no submission slips under the radar. Then just grab the code or the URL link and paste it where you'd like. For example, you can add a web form to a landing page on your website and collect contact details or any other information that you need. Submissions will be neatly stored and organized by their urgency in your action stream. You can click on any submission to see the information that you have on this contact. And once you've completed your next action, you can set a new one to keep this conversation going until you gain a new customer. With OnePageCRM web forms, everything is fast, simple, and actionable. Try them now.